Available Blind Zone Steering Assist gives your vehicle a firm, brief turn of the steering wheel to help avoid a potential crash with detected vehicles in the lane you're entering. When enabled, Blind Zone Steering Assist works when you're in a forward gear at speeds above 30 miles per hour, and both Lane Keep Assist and Lane Change Alert with Side Blind Zone Alert are turned on. It uses radar sensors and lane marking detection. If it detects you may be entering a lane occupied by a vehicle in your side blind zone, the system will use sounds, alert icons, and steering inputs to warn you. You'll see this amber Lane Keep Assist icon on your cluster screen and a blinking Lane Change Alert icon in the side mirror. Hear 3 low beeps and feel a firm nudge against the steering wheel in the opposite direction from the detected vehicle, plus 6 safety alert seat pulses from the same direction as the detected vehicle. You can turn this feature on or off in the settings menu of your center display. Visit Cadillac.com/support for more information.